Work. Introductory. After studying motion, force, now work. So, in the concept of work, see, if you are senior students, then you will going to find so much basics in it. But if you are of class 6th, 7th, 8th student, much more for you. For senior student, don't go away. You can also watch it just to clear your basics. So basically, in general life, in daily life, work is something which is giving us something. But in physics, like giving us something like your parents doing some job and they are getting salary. You are doing some household work and that makes your life easier. So, but in physics, work has certain different meaning. First thing, it is something about spending energy, consuming energy in some way. But more about if I have practically done something, then whether it is work or not. Here I have drawn three diagrams. One in which a person is carrying a load, not moving any in any direction. Second, person is pushing a load uh, in horizontal direction. This one is quite interesting. uh, this is a vehicle, a bus is moving this way, person is applying force in this way. So, and what is this? Actually, he is wearing roller skates. Just imagine this situation. It's a perfect horizontal surface. I have drawn them bit upper and down side, but it is completely horizontal. Now, bus is moving this way, and that person is applying force on that way. This time, um, to lift this load, person has to apply force in upper direction and he is moving in forward direction. Now first, all of these things, the person is doing some work. now now first see this definition. Work is said to be done if force applied to an object displaces it in the direction of force. There are two things. One is force, other is displacement. And most importantly, direction of force. Actually, force has direction, and displacement, direction of displacement. So there should be force, there should be displacement, and direction of force should be in the direction of displacement, or vice versa, direction of displacement in the direction of force. Here, is there any displacement? No, he is not moving, so he is doing no work. Here, he is applying force and object is getting displaced in the direction of force. It is work. Now, right now I'm not talking about this. This one, he is applying force in upper direction. He is walking this direction. Force, displacement. It is not in the direction of force, so it will not be considered as work. Amazingly. So physically we are doing work. Physically we are doing work. But according to physics, we are not doing work. Work done should be considered if force and displacement are in same direction. But here, in this case, force is being applied this way and displacement is that way. Now we will get bit smarter. This is दिमाग की बत्ती. We will just turn this force on other side. We will imagine that the person is applying negative force on this side. This is force and this is negative force. He is not applying force in this direction, but we will say that it is negative direction, negative force. कुछ ऐसा समझ लो कि कोई मोटा आदमी था, तो आपने उसे कह दिया कि आप नेगेटिव में पतले आदमी हो, या किसी की जेब से 1000 रुपए गिर गए, वो रो रहा है, आपने उसे कंसोलेशन देने के लिए कह दिया कि आपके नेगेटिव में 1000 रुपए आ गए हैं. गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? वी आर डूइंग टू अपोजिट थिंग्स. आई हैव चेंज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ फोर्स एंड पुट इट नेगेटिव. उसका मतलब इधर के लिए ही हो जाएगा, पर वो डेफिनेशन के अकॉर्डिंग होगा. तो इस सिचुएशन में आप फोर्स को नेगेटिव कंसीडर करेंगे and it will also called work done, but it will be called negative work done. बहुत कंफ्यूजिंग है, बट सिंपल वे में हम समझ सकते हैं कि डिस्प्लेसमेंट होना चाहिए, डिस्प्लेसमेंट होगा तभी वर्क है, पहली चीज तो. लेकिन अगर डिस्प्लेसमेंट फोर्स से 90 डिग्री पे है, जैसे कुछ चीज लिफ्ट कर रखी है और आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, देन इट विल नॉट बी कंसिडर्ड एज वर्क. सिर्फ तब जब फोर्स और डिस्प्लेसमेंट या तो सेम डायरेक्शन में हो, या फोर्स और डिस्प्लेसमेंट अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में हो, तब वर्क माना जाएगा. डेफिनेशन सिर्फ यह है कि इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ फोर्स. क्यों? क्योंकि ये तो वर्क हो गया और इस कंडीशन में ये वर्क हो गया, बट इट विल बी कंसिडर्ड एज नेगेटिव वर्क. So find different examples of such work done, और आप ये examples मुझे send भी कर सकते हैं. मैं अपना email address डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिख दूंगा, बट वहाँ आप उल्टे सीधे मैसेजेस मत किया कीजिए. So work done, the formula for to calculate work will be force multiplied by displacement. ऑलराइट. तो जब भी हम फिजिक्स में बात करते हैं, कोई फॉर्मूला आता है, तो उसके बाद उसकी एसआई यूनिट भी आती है. सो इट्स एसआई यूनिट इज न्यूटन मीटर और जूल, और इसकी सीजीएस यूनिट डाइन सेंटीमीटर और अर्ग. And remember, 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power 7 erg. यहाँ पे हमें 1 जूल को भी डिफाइन करने की जरूरत है. If 1 Newton force is applied to a body, displaces it by 1 meter in the direction of force, then the work done is 1 joule. ऐसे हम 1 जूल को डिफाइन कर सकते हैं. So this is just the introductory part. Now see different examples around you of applying force but not doing work, applying force, getting displaced, still not doing work, applying force, doing work, applying force and doing negative work. Bye bye.